Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Oh yes, it is Sunday and it is time for a shave. Now, before I started doing videos, I used to do straight razor shaves every Sunday. And that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to be using the Sunday Shaver by Dovo. And I do like this razor for many reasons, but that's for another video. And today's shave soap is going to be by Shannons Soap Company, and it is Aussie Ice. I will put a scent profile right here, just in case you're wondering what it smells like, because my nose picks up Wrigley's Spearmint Gum, and it is a nice scent. I do have that already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I am using the Yaqi 24mm Badger brush. I did use 1/4 teaspoon, and because of this brush, it seems like it loves the water. So I did use 16 milliliters of water, and I'm not going to use any pre-shave today. I'm just going to go ahead and get the lather and going. You ever notice the crazy faces you make when you're shaving? Oh boy, I forget you're there. So if you're new here, I would say take a look around at some of my other videos. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you. I do appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get our shave going with pass number 1. Get my razor in position. I will say that the tip on this, I do have muted because I cannot always see where I'm going. And you may not be able to see that either, because I was shaving on the wrong side of my face on the camera. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. You ever notice how that ear gets in the way? I'm not rinsing, I'm wiping, just for the sake of the video. I don't do a whole lot of talking when I am around my neck area. Of course, you can understand that. When you get a blade going all the way across your face or neck, you really start to appreciate all the different curves and valleys and different things on your face that you normally don't pay attention to with a safety razor. Oh yeah. I don't know if I said this, but I do have 2 days worth of growth. in this area right here is usually where I get myself. Better not go that direction. And my cloth that I'm using to clean off is starting to get full. I'm not a real speedy straight razor shaver. They used to say in the military a lot of things. I was like, all right, let's get lathered up for pass 2. And that razor, I don't know, something about that. I really enjoy the carbon blades a little bit more than the stainless steel blades. And I'm sorry, I'm not really looking at you that much today. It's just the carbon, you know, there's a little bit more upkeep to them. But I will say that I feel like they're just a little bit smoother. And of course, they're easier to hone and strop. Let's see, let's go across the grain here. You can see where my big thumb is hitting. I have these 2 little spots by my ears that it's like a raised piece of skin, and I'm always trying to be delicate around them. Because the straight razor does not care. It will mow it down with no problem. Can you see that right there? That's one of those spots. All right. Did you guys have a good week? Any new shave gear in the den? Let me know. I'm just going to do down strokes on my neck, or we will have a long video. Longer than normal. I try to keep the video short because I know, you know, you can only take so much of a guy shaving. Or at least that's for me. This does such a good job that on the first pass it pretty much gets everything that you need to have got. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. And of course, we are going to do the ice cube as a post-shave routine. Did I ever tell you that ice is nice? And I'm going to use my Lancaster black sheep towel. I feel like did pretty good. I don't know. How we looking on time? All right. And since I don't have the matching aftershave splash, I'm going to use Stirling with a little bit of menthol. When I say little, I mean the glacial menthol. And you know what? No shave is complete without some star jelly. I say any shave, any straight razor shave without a nick, a weeper, a bleeder, or a gusher is good. Let's take a look at the lather from Shannons Soap, and we will just get what we can out of the brush. Brush is pretty well empty. And like I said before, I like to run my lather a little on the thin side whenever I'm straight razor shaving, just because sometimes it takes me a little while and I don't want my lather drying up on my face. Well, that will conclude my shave for today. I will have a picture right here of everything I used. If you enjoyed the straight razor shave video, let me know in the comments below. If not, I will try to refrain from having more straight razor videos. So if not, I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.